All right, today we're going to talk about my favorite interior cleaner, which is going to be P&S's Swift Clean and Shine. What this one is and why I like it is it's an all-in-one cleaner and protectant. So for interiors that really aren't that dirty, maybe they just have a little bit of dust or whatnot. Maybe you're just trying to maintain your car between visits to the detail shop. This is going to be the perfect product for upkeep that you can keep in your vehicle or at home. We're going to show you how to use it on my truck on this door panel. So with this being an unclean door panel, I'm going to use a microfiber towel and we're going to go straight to using the Clean and Shine. Go ahead and spritz down the door so that way it has a little bit of time to kind of soak in and loosen up what's on there. Again, this isn't going to be really for very dirty interiors. It's going to be more for dusty or just maintaining your vehicle between detail. So we're not going to use the microfiber applicator like what we usually use. Because again, our goal right now is not to save product, it's more to pick up the dust. So I'd rather that go in my rag than in my applicator. So we're going to go around all the edges here. If you're really trying to do a crazy good job, you might use that boar's hair brush to kind of go in the cracks, but again, this is just my personal vehicle. We're just trying to get a little bit of protection on there, kind of get it spruced up a little bit. And you'll see once this stuff dries down, this is more of a natural shine product. That's one reason we really like it at our shop. I don't really much care for the high gloss interior greasy look that some of the dressings have. And then probably my favorite thing about this is it has a really nice smell to it. Alright, and then as that dries down, you'll see it'll kind of level in. If you need to use a second towel to just kind of buff some excess off there, that's going to be what I'm going to use to go around the paintwork and the chrome here. And then good thing about that, again, if you keep it in your vehicle, it is good for any kind of plastic, vinyl, leather. Again, I usually like to use a leather conditioner on leather, but I know a lot of people will use this kind of as a one-step product. You can use it on your floor mats, pretty well anything on the inside except for cloths, materials, or headliners or anything like that. Would be about the only thing that I would kind of stay away from it. These are available here at the store. Once they are available online, we will put that in the video. If you want to see how to clean a door panel before using this, maybe you have a dirtier panel, we'll have that video linked above. And if you're wanting something that has more of a high shine that the Swift doesn't offer, we'll have that in there as well.